Today, I will tell you 10 reasons why you should get a virtual reality headset right now. Whether you're a gamer, a tech fan, or just curious, VR really has something to offer for everyone. And yes, I know you are asking yourself, do I really need this? And the answer is yes. And I'll tell you why. And I'll also give you 3 examples of really good VR headsets. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Thank you to my sponsors, Woodghost VR, Opperman Events, Virtual Escape and Virtual Reality Center Basel. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Reason number 1, complete immersion. VR puts you right in the middle of the action. Whether you are fighting dragons in a fantasy world or just walking through the streets of New York. Everything feels real. While you only see the action right in front of you on a flat monitor or TV, in VR you are always right in the middle of it, no matter where you look. I recently played another VR horror game. Guys, I'm telling you, it will blow your mind. It's so intense and immersive. Reason number 2, gaming. Honestly, guys, if you are a gamer, you just have to try VR. From epic sword fights to futuristic sport events. There are so many brilliant VR games these days that it's hard to stop. I've also created a separate video for you with the best VR games, for example for the Meta Quest headsets. Feel free to take a look. For example, you can play Beat Saber and chop dice to music as if it was your own personal concert. Or you can explore worlds in Half-Life Alyx. This is simply a masterpiece of a VR game. And don't worry, motion sickness is getting better and better with modern headsets. I've prepared a video with the best VR games for beginners. Reason number 3, travel without leaving the house. Sounds crazy, right? But with VR you can see the world, from the most beautiful beaches to the pyramids of Egypt. Google Earth VR makes it possible, for example, or even the new Microsoft Flight Simulator with full VR support. So if you're on a tight budget, VR is your cheapest trip around the world. Reason number 4, fitness. Yes, exactly. You can even lose weight or get fitter with VR. Maybe, like me, you just don't feel like going to the gym. For example, I often play Beat Saber and I swear to you, you can really stay fit and lose weight with it. And the best thing, it's just fun and you even forget that you are doing sports. This is so cool. Reason number 5, watch films like in the cinema. So with VR you are basically in your own private cinema. Huge screen, no annoying popcorn rustling from strangers, just you and the film. Alternatively, you can also watch films with friends all over the world using the big screen software. And yes, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus and YouTube are of course also available in VR. Perfect for series marathons. Reason number 6, VR for work and meetings. Sounds boring? But wait, instead of sitting in endless Zoom calls, you can meet virtually in a cool room. You are basically standing next to your colleagues and that feels really different. There are even virtual co-working spaces. So basically home office, but cool. I've created a separate video where I introduce you to the best VR apps for working. Reason number 7, VR is social. You might think VR makes you lonely, but the opposite is the case. There are lots of VR apps like VR Chat or Rec Room where you can meet new people. I recently beat someone in VR paintball and then realized that he was from Australia. I'm in Germany right here. Well, VR brings people together, I would say. Reason number 8, learning suddenly becomes fun. How's this possible? Whether you want to learn languages, study anatomy, or learn to cook in VR. There's an app for everything. With VR, for example, you are suddenly in the middle of the human body, completely immersive. Believe me, you'll learn better and have more fun this way than with any app on your phone. Reason number 9, creativity. Do you want to draw, model, or produce music? VR offers apps like Tiltbrush or Vermilion where you can create 3D art or paintings right in the middle of the room. The feeling of walking through your own work of art is simply unique. And reason number 10, my favorite reason, mixed reality. With this new technology, reality merges with the virtual world. For example, you can build a virtual racetrack right through your living room, turn your apartment into a zombie apocalypse, or convert your living room into a submarine or into a zoo. I have prepared a video with the 10 best mixed reality games for you. Yes, folks, the future is basically starting now. VR is getting better, cheaper, and more versatile. Whether gaming, work, or just having fun, the technology is developing rapidly. So why not get involved right now? Give it a go and try it out now. I can recommend 3 good VR headsets for every budget. Recommendation number 1 is the Meta Quest 3S. It only costs $299 and you don't even need a PC or a console for it. Do you want to spend a little more and have a higher resolution, better lenses and more storage space? Then go for the Meta Quest 3 for $499. For both headsets, you get $60 in game credit until the end of 2024, and after that still $30 in game credit if you buy via my link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you want a high-end VR headset for your gaming PC to play racing or flight simulations in ultra high resolution, then go for the Pimax Crystal Lite. It offers incredibly good image quality. You'll save $10 by using my link in the description. Guys, if you have any more questions, write them in the comments. Or if you are already a VR user, feel free to write me your opinion about your headset in the description. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss any more cool videos. See you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE